Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. It's a competition account and cash prizes will be awarded to the first 5 people. Yes, so follow me as I show you all the steps that you would need to get this bonus. Yes, so please, if you know you're new to this channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you also share to your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So this is the site, Plessy Trade. Yeah, so we're going to click on live. Alright, so we're going to be registering our personal information. We'll be inputting our first name, our middle name, last name, country of residence, dialing code, phone number, email address, password. Then after doing that, we'll click on continue. But if you already have an account, you can just log in directly. Yes, so let's do that right now. Let's input all this. Okay, so after doing that, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be inputting your address information. Yes, so we're going to be doing that right now. So after clicking on continue, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be choosing your trading account information. Yes, so the wallet currency that we'll be using is USD, so we're just going to click on it. Then the platform, I'll be using MT5. Yes, then the account currency is also USD. Yes, so as you can see it here, the trading account type is micro and the leverage is 1:1. Yeah, so I'm also going to be clicking on all these terms and conditions right here. So after doing that, we're going to click on submit. Yes, so after clicking on submit, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be imputing your two-factor authentication setup. Yes, so we are going to be setting this up. For those that don't know the meaning of authentication, it's a Google app which generates code every 10 seconds. Yeah, so connecting this broker with your authentication is to make it safe. So anytime you want to log in, you have to generate an authentication to make it safe. So we're just going to copy this code and we're going to impute it into our authentication app. Yes, so this is how our authentication app looks like. So we're just going to click on it. Okay, so I've gotten my code already. So I'm just going to impute it, then click on continue. Yes, so it's successful. Okay. So an email validation was sent to my registered email account. So let's go and copy the code. Then we're going to click on confirm email. Okay, so I'm logged in already. As you can see, I'm logged in already. So we're going to click on this menu button up here. Yes, then we'll click on competitions. Yes, then it's going to bring us over to this interface where you will see previous competitions that they have done before, showing right here on the screen. Yes, so we'll just go straight to the latest competition that is available. So the first thing that you're going to do is to click on enter competition. Yes, so after clicking on enter competition, then you're going to agree to the terms and conditions. Then it will now take you to where you will create accounts for the competition. So after that, we're going to be choosing the platform that we're going to be using, which is MT5 platform. So after clicking on it, then you click on submit. Yes, so my submission was successful. So we're going to go back to the competition. Then we'll click on view rules. Let's talk about the rules. Yes, so there is no robots use. Then the lot size max is 0.10 per order. Then the maximum number of open order is 5. Yeah, and you can trade using FX, metals, and index funds trades only. Yes, and the minimum 10 active trade days, that is, you must trade at least 10 days. Yeah, so these are the rules. You can also go through them. And for the prize pool, these are the rewards that will be given to the first 5. Yes, so the first prize will be earning $3,000, the second prize $2,000, the third prize $1,000, the fourth prize $500, and the fifth prize $250. Okay, so our login details were sent to our Gmail. Yes, so we're going to be getting our login ID or password or server name from our Gmail. That's what we're going to be using to log into MT5. So let's go and log into MT5 right now. So the name of the server is Plessy Trade server. So we're going to copy it. Yes. So this is our Gmail right here. So we're going to click on this plus sign right here. Then we're going to input the name of the broker. Yes, which is Plessy Trade. Yeah, as you can see it right here. So we're going to click on it. Yes, so we'll be imputing our login and our password. So let's do that right now. Now we're going to copy our login and we will impute it here. Then our password. So we're going to also impute our password right here. So after that, we're going to click on login. Yes, so we've gotten it already. Yes, we've gotten the $50 bonus. Yes, so go and claim yours right now. Go and claim yours right now. Thank you.